Okay guys, today we got a 1998 Nissan Pathfinder. We're going to be changing out the distributor. Located right here. We got a couple clips here, one right here, one right here. So I'm going to grab an 8mm, start taking off the cap, then we'll take these clips off. Alright, so I got the 8mm on the front here and the 8mm on the back. Pulled off the cap here. I'm just going to set it off to the side for now. And then we'll work on getting these two clips off. This one is just a pinch clip. The pinch part is on the bottom here. You pull it out. And this one as well. So I'll get those off. I'm going to need two hands. Alright, so as well as getting these plugs off, I just wanted to mention this one. It sits on this little metal bracket right here. Kind of tucks in to the back here so it's in place. You just pinch down right here in order to pull it off of that metal tab. And then just another pinch clip to separate it. So all our harnesses are off the distributor. We got our cap off. The new one that I got does come with a new cap and rotor already on it. Here's the part number, the Duralast part number if you'd like it. So now we got this bolt down here, if you can see it there, holding the distributor down. Looks about a 12 or a 13mm. So I'll go ahead and pull that and we'll get the distributor pulled out. Alright guys, so yeah, it was a 12mm. I was able to get in there with a 6-inch extension and a swivel. I mean, of course you can remove the throttle body if you'd like, but you know, why? If you have these tools, make it easier on yourself. So before I pull it, I do want to point out, I did go ahead and put a couple marks just so I can get it kind of as close as possible to where it should be. But once we get the new one stabbed, we might have to time it a little bit. But so yeah, like I said, 12mm socket with a swivel and a 6-inch extension. I'll go ahead and remove that. Alright guys, just like that, pull her on out. So customer complained on this one, he had several misfires, multiple misfires, as well as spitting and sputtering, and a camshaft position sensor code. So that camshaft sensor is built into the distributor actually, so that's why we're replacing it, just in case you're curious. So got the old one out, I'll go ahead and start putting the new one in. Pretty much the same process, just backwards. Alright guys, I realized once I'd already finished making this video and sent the vehicle, I didn't really explain how I was gonna set the timing on it. So obviously you want to pull the cylinder 1 spark plug, which is on the passenger side, the first one in line. So pull that plug, kind of bump it a little bit till you're able to get to TDC. It's easier if you have someone there with you to watch it. But once you have it at TDC, so the little notches here, I don't know if you can really see them, but there's 2 grooves right here that line up with cylinder 1. So that's basically where you want your rotor set. I just wanted to point that out before I got any further in the video. Alright guys, so I got the new one stabbed. Like I said, I did line up this notch here with my mark, and then I put on the cylinder 3 with this mark. So if it's not as close, you know, we can just time it a little bit, adjust it once we get there. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and toss our 12mm back in. Alright guys, so we got our 12mm in there. This distributor came with a new cap and rotor. So I went ahead and just left my wires on there, make it a little easier. And these ones are actually marked. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this one was too. So it makes it nice and easy. Just switch right where the numbers go. So I'll go ahead and switch over my wires, get these plugs plugged in, and then we will clear the codes and fire up. Alrighty, so we got our wires switched over. I went ahead and put my clips on here. Big one on the distributor, and this one, remember, it goes on that little metal prong that comes over this crossover pipe here. And that is pretty much it, guys. Pretty simple. If you got the tools for it, knock it out. I hope this helped you guys out. Please click like, please click subscribe, and click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.